Let's face it, dental implants really aren't cheap. And because implant surgery is most often a cosmetic procedure, you might think you need a lot of cash on hand to afford them. Well, no, not necessarily. I'll be back in a second to walk you through all the most common options. Hi, I'm Dr. Mauricio Moeller, a third-generation dentist, board-certified prosthodontist, and former University of Michigan School of Dentistry clinical assistant professor. I specialize in complex dental treatments and full-arch implant procedures. Okay, what options are available to help you pay for dental implants? First up is insurance. Some people assume that if they have insurance, they don't need to worry about it. It will be covered or mostly covered. Unfortunately, that is not always the case. In most cases, insurance may cover some portion of an implant procedure, but sometimes only partially, and often only up to a maximum benefit amount that could be a lot lower than you'd like, if they're covered at all. So, if you need more than a few implants, like a full arch or all-in-X procedure, then your insurance likely will not be doing the heavy lifting. That is where financing comes in. Most implant centers work with multiple lenders, and with those, they typically will help you fill out the paperwork and send over any required documentation. Of course, your loan options are not limited to those lenders. You can apply for personal loan directly at your bank or credit union or with a reputable lender online. You have every right to shop around and compare rates. Just make sure they're performing a soft inquiry so that your credit score won't be affected. Speaking of, most lenders will require a credit score above 650 or a co-signer also with a score above 650 to consider your application. Finally, if a loan is out of reach and you do not have enough savings, you still may have other options. If you own a home, you may be able to access some of the value you've built up through a home equity loan, line of credit, or a secured loan. And if you have a retirement plan, IRA, or 401k, in many cases, you can also borrow against that for medical expenses to cover your treatment.